Hello, and welcome to the demo of Insight Software's Longview AI Doc Assist. This tool is designed to simplify your experience with Longview by offering quick, accurate answers to your queries. Longview AI Doc Assist is your intelligent assistant within the Longview environment. Powered by advanced AI, it helps you navigate the platform efficiently by offering instant guidance directly from the user interface. Let's explore how you can use it to make your work faster and more efficient. To start, simply select the AI Doc Assist icon at the bottom right of your screen. This will open up the chat window where you can type in your questions. Let's explore a few examples. We'll input our first query: how do I enter tax rates in Longview Tax? The AI Doc Assist quickly scans the documentation and provides the best possible answer. The response includes a summary of steps along with links to more detailed documentation for further reading. Now, let's ask a follow-up question. What editor should I use to manage my entities in Longview Tax? AI Doc Assist once again provides a relevant answer in seconds with documentation links for deeper insights. Let's click on the first link provided by the AI to open the full documentation. Here, you can explore detailed information about managing entities in Longview Tax, ensuring you have all the resources needed to move forward confidently. And there you have it. Longview AI Doc Assist is your go-to solution for finding answers quickly and accurately, making your experience with Longview even more efficient and intuitive. Please share your thoughts and suggestions with us via this email. Additionally, for more information, access the Insight Software product documentation using the link provided in the description.